Hydrogen peroxide proved to be the most effective tool in the fight against viruses. The buzz around the coronavirus still does not subside. The number of infected grows, and the total number of those who died from COVID-19 rises. Given all this, how to protect yourself and your loved ones in a similar situation? We have good news for you. You may be surprised, but in this situation a very simple remedy will help: hydrogen peroxide. What is the use of such a medical solution, and what should you know about its use? Let's find out. Important details. Can a normal solution, widely used by many people in everyday life, protect your life from being infected with a coronavirus? Yes, experts agree that hydrogen peroxide is a very effective antibacterial and disinfectant. A hydrogen peroxide solution kills germs, including most viruses and bacteria. A concentration of 3% hydrogen peroxide is an effective disinfectant. Moreover, unlike gauze dressings or respirators, so necessary in this period of time, this tool can be easily found in pharmacies. Hydrogen peroxide kills germs and viruses. Hydrogen peroxide acts as a disinfectant, destroying important components of germ cells. Moreover, it can deactivate a wide range of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi and spores. It seems that this is exactly what is needed in this situation, as they say, both cheap and cheerful. According to the CDC, a concentration of 3% hydrogen peroxide can inactivate, or reduce the effect, of rhinovirus, a respiratory virus that primarily causes colds. How much time is needed for a similar result? Only 8 minutes. For such a short period of time, you can protect yourself from the virus. In addition, a recent study showed that hydrogen peroxide was more effective at killing certain forms of bacteria than quaternary ammonium compounds, such as ammonia hydrate, found in many household cleaning products. When it comes to reducing the number of microbes in your home and keeping coronavirus spreading, hydrogen redistribution is very useful for cleaning various surfaces, such as metal, glass and plastic, said Alex Barazoff, Ph.D., member of the Council on Science and Health. Vice President of Scientific Communications in the USA. How to use hydrogen peroxide to kill viruses. A typical concentration of 3% hydrogen peroxide, which can be found in stores, should be used as a disinfectant. You can dilute the concentration to 0.5% by mixing with a certain amount of water, 2/3. A similar approach will also be effective. Before disinfecting any surface in your apartment with hydrogen peroxide, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) recommends using soap and water to more thoroughly clean the room. Once you do this, you can pour or spray hydrogen peroxide onto the surface and wipe it with a paper towel or sponge. After using this product, be sure to leave it on the surface for at least 1 minute before drying, so that it has an effect. Due to this, the destruction of pathogenic microorganisms will occur. Keep in mind that if you are cleaning with 3% hydrogen peroxide, care must be taken with certain surfaces, such as marble or granite countertops. The slight acidity of this solution can eventually destroy the surface of these parts. It can also cause discoloration, so test it on a small area of the colored surface before using it on a larger area. Reminders: hydrogen peroxide is safe to use if used separately from other household products. Remember, the peroxide solution should not be mixed with other household cleaners such as vinegar or bleach. Vinegar and hydrogen peroxide can be used on the same surface only if you make sure that a certain amount of time has passed between the use of both products. As a rule, mixing chemicals is unreasonable, summarizes the aforementioned Alex Barazoff. It is recommended to store the liquid in a dark place in order to maintain an appropriate concentration for the destruction of microbes.